a route which involves going across all the old railway bridges. It's, like a lot of things, it's part of the world. Great idea, just never completed and never managed properly. We're actually driving on it now. It's now road, but obviously go over all these really crazy bridges. Okay, a couple of those are rotten, so this might be the last time you see Inga. You never know what you're going to find when you're driving alongside the road.
This one says no trucks.
It says no bicycles. Yeah. It looks like they put some steel on there, but this is the bridge that obviously has very questionable integrity. I guess if Marty goes down into the river, I'll have to get down and get Inga and get my belongings. It's pretty dodgy.